Imagine stepping onto a small balcony that feels fresh, calm, and beautifully designed. A tiny space transformed with just a few thoughtful containers and peaceful green touches. Even the smallest balcony can become a soothing escape when arranged with intention. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your space for mindful and inspiring garden ideas. Today we're exploring Balcony Container Garden Design 2025. Tiny Space Makeover. Start with your containers. Choose simple shapes and natural tones. Clay pots, wooden boxes, ceramic planters, or recycled containers that add quiet character. Keep the palette soft and unified to maintain a clean, minimalist look. A few well-chosen containers will always feel more calming than many mismatched ones. Arrange your plants in gentle layers. Taller plants at the back, medium ones in the middle, and small ones in front. This gives your tiny balcony depth without crowding it. Herbs, ferns, succulents, and small flowering plants all thrive beautifully in containers and add a refreshing burst of life. Use vertical space wisely. A narrow shelf, a hanging planter, or a small ladder-style stand instantly creates more room while keeping the floor open and breathable. Vertical gardening is one of the biggest 2025 trends for tiny spaces. Simple, stylish, and space-saving. Add natural textures for warmth. A bamboo mat, a wooden stool, or a woven basket softens the space and makes the balcony feel inviting. You don't need much. Just one or two cozy elements to create a peaceful vibe. For comfort, include a small corner seat or cushion. Even a tiny balcony can hold a quiet reading spot or a space to enjoy your morning tea. Place one statement pot or a mini plant cluster beside it for balance. In the evening, gentle lighting completes the makeover. A small lantern, warm fairy lights, or solar jars make the space glow softly, turning your balcony into a serene nighttime retreat. With simple containers and mindful design, any tiny balcony can become a refreshing, modern sanctuary. Peaceful, organized, and full of life. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more calm, creative, and inspiring garden design ideas.